Hi, and thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Golf for sale. So this is a diesel Blue Motion. So we do quite well with these. Main reason being is everyone loves a Golf. It does what it says on the tin. But in the Blue Motion, free road tax and fantastic miles per gallon on these things. So really economical to run. So it's come from a local customer. It's already been through the workshop, done quite a bit of prep on this one. So it's got brand new pads and discs, front and rear. It's just been serviced as well. So as always with all our videos, really we're just showing you how the car looks in the flesh, as it were. Will be about 100 photos on the advert as well. But all the details and history and spec and everything will be on the car. So really clean car. What we can see down the side there, wheels are all unmarked. Good history with it. Like I say, it's come from a local customer, so we've done some servicing on it. All nice and clean in there. Got both sets of keys with it. And the cam belt's been done as well. Even though it's low mileage, it's just been done on time. The customer wanted it doing. Again, all really nice. Clean and straight down there. So as with all our cars, it's HPI clear. And that comes with a report. They all come with 12 months MOT. They all come with a warranty as well. And there's the option to extend on that. So all nice and clean. As you can see, just turned 62,359 miles. So really good mileage as well. And I think the mileage shows in the condition of the car. As always, we do viewing by appointment only. This is just so people don't have a wasted trip or come for a car that's already sold. You can reserve a car if you want, and then we'll have it MOT'd ready for you, so you can just make one trip, or you can just make an appointment, come and view, put a deposit on it, we'll MOT it and come back for it. Any questions, like I say, drop us an email or give us a ring. Thanks for watching.